Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to walk you through how to manually change the date and time on your Mac. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's jump right in. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the System Settings window is open, look for General in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. Now on the right side, you'll see an option that says Date and Time. Click on that. Okay, now to manually change the date and time, you need to turn off the Set Time and Date Automatically toggle. This uses your time zone to set it automatically, so we're gonna switch that off. You'll probably need to verify with Touch ID or enter your password to do this. Once you've done that, you'll see a Set button appear just below. Click that, and a calendar and clock will pop up, allowing you to manually select the date and time you want. In my case, I'm just going to leave it as is. You can also manually change your current location. To do this, toggle off Set Time Zone automatically using your current location. Once you've switched that off, you can click on the drop-down menu below and manually set your current location. Just keep in mind that if you turn either of those toggles back on, Set Time and Date Automatically, or Set Time Zone Automatically, it'll override your manual settings and go back to using your time zone to determine the date, time, and location. And that's it. It's pretty simple, right? Now remember, this is just based on my personal experience. You can find helpful links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.